I'm Mike Gallivan in Chantilly, Virginia. GBC did a design and rebuild for my kitchen and 3 bathrooms in my 40-year-old home. GBC was recommended to me by someone who had had GBC previously. They'd worked with them. They were very happy. The GBC had worked extensively with them to answer all their questions. They seemed to be very customer focused. Nothing had been done to any of them for 40 years. So they were obviously out of date. Things were stopping to work. The kitchen, it wasn't big enough. They made it bigger, essentially, just by the redesign. So it just allows me to be able to do more stuff in here, host holidays, and cook for multiple people. And if I ever sell the house, this will be a good selling point. I had no ideas. Alan came in and gave me 3 kind of basic designs to look at to see which ones I liked the best. We chose one, and then he went from there. We had various meetings to decide on styles, cabinets, countertops, tile, flooring, grout. Who knew there were so many details? The construction process, there's no getting around it. It's very disruptive. But the guys that came were here. They were polite. They came 8:30 or so, stayed till 5 or 5:30. They cleaned up after themselves each day. They were always very pleasant. They were always working. I never saw them sitting around doing nothing. I didn't feel like they were working by the hour. I felt like they were working hard to get the job done. They cared about the details. They would look at something and say, that's not right. Didn't wait for me to ask a question. They would look at it, say it's not right, go back and redo it. The material selection process, once again, Alan was very patient. I had my daughter and I both came over, and we would sit with Alan. He would show us different styles and types of tile and cabinets and so forth. During the pandemic, this was particularly difficult, but Alan made it as easy as possible. It was not my favorite part. I think it has turned out great. I'm very happy with it. Everyone who's seen it has been very happy with it. So it went well. Ray was the building project manager. He and his crew were always extremely professional. Ray visited the job site most days. The crew was working to make sure everything was going well and that I did not have any questions. I will recommend them to my friends and neighbors, yes. I will show them the kitchen and the bathrooms, and if this doesn't convince them, I don't know what will.